Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar, and in today's session we're gonna do your daily pick a card reading for 2nd October 2021. These are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with all of you. Also, these are pick a card readings, so I'll be pulling up one Oracle Energy card and one of the Tarot card and creating a set. You can select between any of the three options. So let's get started, guys. I'll just pull one Oracle Energy card to understand the supporting energy as well. Okay, guys, so go ahead, pick a stack between option number one, option number two, or option number three, and let's understand how your day is going to proceed. Okay, if you guys have selected option number one, then you have got envy and you've got the Nine of Cups as well. So, Nine of Cups is a card of wish fulfillment. It's a card that most of you would be actually probably getting into a new house or buying yourself a new car or buying yourself a new asset which you also want to show it to the society, do a little bit of show off. So it's a good positive card where you whatever you have wished for, whatever you have desired for on the materialistic part is coming true. So those wishes are absolutely coming true, and you also have the opportunity to show it off as well, so which is a good happy thought to be in. uh, the, these are more of a material desires that you have wished for more than emotional or spiritual desires. These are more of a materialistic pleasures that you'll be enjoying yourself throughout the day. So definitely a good card of wish fulfillment, a good card of satisfaction and happy energy that is coming your way. Along with that, this in the supporting energies, we have got the NB. So let's just understand what the oracle message is for you for the day. So the card of NB signifies a message that some of you probably already have a life that is already shining and with prosperity. However, you're not able to see that yourself, and you are ignoring the things that you already have, and you're longing for things that you probably don't have. So, or desiring for things that you don't have, and that is leading to a little bit of dissatisfaction for you. The card is actually telling you to let go of the jealousy and acknowledge the blessings that you already have in your life. And now is also the time to shift your focus. After all, when you envy others, it only attracts more of them and not you. So you need to really change the focus, change the point of view, and start looking at your own life in a different perspective and be grateful for whatever things you already have, because as with the Nine of Cups energy, you already have more than you can have for yourself. It's already a shining prosperous life that you're leading. But if you keep ignoring the things that you already have and keep longing for things that you don't have, you will always feel dissatisfied and never be able to be happy. So happiness is a choice. You have to make that choice for yourself, and just be more grateful for whatever you have right now, because being grateful will change that course of energy, and a lot of things that you already desires will start appearing or realizing as well. So it's just that it's a saying, right? In order to receive something, you just have to let go. So this card is actually asking you to let go of that constant desire to have more and more. Things will automatically come your way. You don't have to stress about it too much, but rather you start enjoying the things that are already being offered to you. That will lead and open the door for new things to arrive in your life as well. So, if you have selected option number one, these are the messages for you guys for 2nd October. If you have selected option number two, then you have got the door to value, and you have also got the three of swords. Now, three of swords is a energy of heartache. Some of you might be undergoing a breakup as well, or some relationships might be ending. Some of you might have received a sad news or a bad news that has given you a lot of pain, probably. Some if this card is more related to your business financial venture, there are some small failures that you might also see, which will lead you to a little bit of a setback for today. But it is also supported by the energy of door to value. Let's understand what the door to value or the oracle energy message is for this reading. So, door to value actually points, if you see the card, the message on the card, it's crystal clear that there are doors that are opening up with a lot of money flowing in, a lot of gold flowing in, rather, and a lot of opportunities flowing in. So, there is a new beginning that is getting opened for you, that is starting for you, and this opportunity could come in totally unexpectedly. You are currently in a place where you're not feeling yourself, you are heartbroken, and you don't trust that things might just turn out to be good for you. But these within these feelings of broken heart or sadness, you will suddenly find an unexpected new beginning which will bring in a lot of prosperity for you, a lot of money, financial, career success for you as well. So, either way, just keep your eyes open for this new beginning to appear in your life, and knowing that anything of that you value may be also open for you. So, remain conscious, remain creative, and get ready to step through the door and start with a new beginning. Don't sulk too much on this energy of loss. You have to sometimes give up and start looking up for the things that you value as well, because these opportunities are coming to you at an unexpected time, at a sudden time, and these are good opportunities and good things that are opening up for you, good new beginnings that are opening up for you. So, if you guys have selected option number three, then you have you've got the broken heart, and you've got the Queen of Cups as well. Interesting, guys, because we've got similar energies over here as well. So, for option number three, you've got the Queen of Cups. So, Queen of Cups is an energy. So, Queen of Cups actually represents a presence of a virtuous woman in your life who's more calm, who's more sensitive, and who's ready to listen to you all the while, who's a good listener, and she will also guide you with good suggestions and good guidance that will be coming from you. So if you encounter such a person in your life, that's your go-to person for today for seeking all the help. Presence of Queen of Cups could also mean that you are probably into an introspection mode where you are trying to understand all the emotional dilemma that you're feeling inside, and somehow you will be able to come up with some solutions and the answers, because the supporting energy is for the day's broken heart. So some of you might be going through some emotional trauma or some emotional difficulties throughout the day, and this opportunity along with Queen of Cups actually suggests that you have the ability, you have the power to take care of yourself, to make your self-care a priority now. You're going through a difficult process for sure, but this compassion that you will show for yourself will lead you to a lot of healing. So with Queen of Cups energy coming into picture, you already have that compassionate energy around you to mend the broken heart, to have that healing process completed. So if you are one of the folks who are going through some recent pain, recent emotional traumas, Queen of Cups energy is now here. So your healing has already started. So you just have to start taking care of yourself, start taking care of your thoughts as well, and make a conscious decision and be aware of all your thought process all the times to make those changes so that the self healing can actually take place for you. Okay, guys, these are some of the messages for 2nd of October. Let me know if these resonated with you. And thank you so much for listening to me patiently and eagerly. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video. See ya.